I want to look at our two different types of pens, a ballpoint pen versus a liquid pen. And these three different pen types are still liquid pens, the felt, the Sharpie, and the G2. If you remember back to the very beginning of our class where we did notes on line networks, we know that more lines equals, oh, it's windy outside, equals darker value. Fewer lines equals lighter value. That is true for both pen types. However, pressure does matter with a ballpoint pen as well. So this is my ballpoint pen. I'm going to do a texture, cross-hatching texture. And I'm doing a light pressure, and I can get a really light value. Now, if I do fewer marks, I can also create a light value. More pressure, I can create a darker value. So with a ballpoint pen, it fits the rules of more lines, darker value, fewer lines, less value, but it also has a pressure point. So if I have lighter pressure, then I have a lighter value. A harder pressure, darker value. So let's look at the difference between that ballpoint and liquid. So here I'm going to do the same, cross-hatching with my felt pen, and I'm now pressing as light as I possibly can. But there really isn't a value shift until I do fewer marks. That's the only way to get a lighter value with a liquid pen. If I press the same, if I press lighter or harder, a liquid pen will still give me the same value. So with liquid, the only way to get lighter value is with less marks. So once again, ballpoint, fewer marks, lighter value, more marks, darker value, but also think about your pressure. Lighter pressure, lighter value, more pressure, darker value. Test out your two different types of pens and see which one you can control the values the best with.